Introducing the TruInfant IV Arm, a task trainer for mastering pediatric peripheral IV cannulation skills. Modeled after a 5-month-old infant, this product's material exhibits unparalleled realism to medical IV training. Featuring accurate infant arm anatomy, including the dorsal venous arch, cephalic, and basilic veins. Experience true-to-life resistance as you practice, with positive user feedback through simulated blood withdrawal, confirming successful technique. Multiple cannulation sites allow for diverse training scenarios, preparing practitioners for real-world situations. Setup is a breeze. Simply fill the IV bag, connect the tubing, and you're ready to train in under 5 minutes. This model comes with a 1-year warranty as standard. For more information or to speak to a product specialist, email info@trucorp.com or call 4428 3888 2714.